Whether you're just getting started with outdoor cooking or you're a seasoned pitmaster, the MasterBuilt Digital Electric Smoker will make it easy to take your backyard smoking game to the next level with digital controls. Smoking low and slow imparts a rich, smoky flavor and creates moist and tender results, allowing you to focus on other tasks while the smoker does all the work. With its easy-to-use digital control panel, you have full command over the smoking process at your fingertips. Set your desired temperature up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit and effortlessly create unrivaled recipes with the push of a button. Where there's smoke, there's flavor. The MasterBuilt Digital Electric Smoker features a convenient side wood chip loading system, letting you introduce additional smoke flavor without interrupting the cooking process. Craft your favorite dishes with 710 or 970 square inches of cooking space, enough to fit up to 8 racks of ribs for family and friends. Now that's some serious smoking power. Master the art of backyard smoking with the MasterBuilt Digital Electric Smoker.